This is Paulownia tomentosa, the princess tree, sometimes called the empress tree, sometimes called the princess, the princess flower, or just Paulownia. It is not a native; it's an exotic plant. It's named after Anna Pavlovna, or Anna Paulowna, a Russian royalty, and it was named in her honor. And it is a beautiful plant, very fragrant, fast-growing. That's the reason it was brought over. But unfortunately, it's a terrible invasive. It can grow 8, some people say even up to 15 feet in a single season, and so it quickly overwhelms everything. These tubular flowers do provide nectar sources, and later on, you can see how it produces these pods. The pods usually contain tiny little seeds which float very freely. They used to be used even for stuffing, stuffing containers and so forth, for packaging. But this tree can so quickly grow that in new areas it can overwhelm native plants, especially in meadows. And the huge leaves, again, these heart-shaped leaves can get so much bigger. They end up being something that can shade out a lot of our native trees. So yes, a pretty tree, very valuable in Asia, where the wood on this tree has been used for all sorts of different kinds of cultural aspects, including wedding dowries. But unfortunately, a nasty invasive that needs to be controlled and not allowed to grow in this country. So this is again the Paulownia princess tree, empress tree. This close-up of its beautiful flower. You can see its leaves down below, heart-shaped. These aren't even half-grown yet. And over here, you can make out the pods. But what you can't see, of course, is that this particular tree can cause environmental havoc. It is an invasive species and needs to be restored.